In this short video, we will show you how to use quick buttons in a delivery, including how to plan a route, how to find customer phone numbers, and how to create ad hoc forms. From the main menu, click on the job list function and scroll down to delivery. Your delivery page will look very similar to the one on screen. Next to the delivery address at the top of the screen, we have 3 green shortcut buttons. The first button is Maps. This will open the default Maps application on your device, and it will automatically plan a route to your delivery destination. The second button is Phone. Tapping this icon will display the customer's phone number and give you the option to give them a call. This is very useful if you need to get in contact with the customer directly for any reason. It saves you having to check through any delivery notes or having to make a call back to the depot. Tapping on the last button will quick link you to any relevant ad hoc forms for your job. These are forms such as the wait time form or the pallet collection form. And that's how you use quick use functions.